Hi, and here we are in your business roadmap Notion template. The purpose of this template is to allow you to jot down your business goals, objectives, actions, and then the measurements that you need to take to achieve those goals, and also then capture the actual measurements so that you can see how well you're doing to meet your goals. The idea is that you've got one source of truth as to what you want to achieve that year. You can do it every 90 days or quarter or however much time is appropriate for you, but it's about making sure you capture all that information so you're always working towards your goal and therefore not wasting time on things that are irrelevant. So this is just a worksheet that captures information. There may be in some of the databases within it calculations for you, but on the whole, it's just for capturing the information. So let's walk through the roadmap. First thing is about creating a profit plan. So it's writing down expenses. So if you're new to the business, it's writing down what your expenses are, what your revenue streams are going to be, what your revenue projections are going to be, and creating a budget. And this is just recording bits of information so you can see where your money's going to be coming from and how you're going to get it. So in the business objectives, it's about, this area is about defining what you want to achieve that year. So it's really about growth, business growth. So it's either audience growth or sales growth. There's two options that you can pick. Obviously, you can add more if different ones more pertinent to you. But they're the main two things that you want to be doing from a small business perspective. That's what you're setting up. So you define what you want to be doing and why it's important. Link it to any goals that you make later on. And that's that. If we go down to the goals bit, then again, it's about creating SMART goals so that you make sure that they are actually measurable, achievable, relevant, and timely. And you can then link those back to the business objectives so you know why you're doing those goals. And then to actually achieve those goals, you create a list of actions, which then allows you to create the steps for moving forward with the goals. So in this instance, we have some examples of a goal. So growing the email list to 500 in the next 12 months. And to do that, the actions could be create a compelling opt-in, improve the sales funnel. It's not necessarily about growing the email list, but you put in what the actions are. Now, if you also have My Business Hub Notion template, then these actions become the projects that you use in My Business Hub, and then you can manage your tasks from within there. So these are the high-level items. If you haven't got My Business Hub, then these actions can be at whatever level of detail you find necessary or useful to manage your work. And then finally, we've got the business metrics. So from your goals, we have, you've said, as a SMART goal, you've said the measurable, how you're going to measure that goal, whether you've achieved it or not, because we always want to know whether we've achieved the goal. So within here, you can then define what you are measuring, how it will be measured, and then you can then track that measurement later on down. So as I say, it's just really a worksheet to help you keep track of your goals and create the plan of your year for your business.